You have before you today an opportunity to help us close a gap and make this happen.
Gender equality was discussed last week at the Hawaii County Council.
We all want fairness, not just in our county, our state, our nation, and globally.
As the local lawmakers voted to approve a resolution in support of the United Nations Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women.
The United States is still one of only 7 countries not to have ratified the convention.
What is the stumbling block for the U.S. to not ratify Let's Not Discriminate Against Women?
So there are many websites where you can type in that exact question and you'll get multiple types of responses. The Planned Parenthood is definitely one issue, one perspective on that. The other issue that many have pointed to is they look at other types of legislation, equal pay, fair equity, fair pay, and they feel that that is enough to be able to support the United States stance on equality for women.
Ms. Poindexter.
Valerie Poindexter brought forward the measure,
We welcome all differences.
which affirms the principles of the UN Convention
The YWCA of Hawaii Island strongly supports the proposed resolution.
and urges the county to work with the Hawaii State Commission on the Status of Women and the County of Hawaii's Committee on the Status of Women to perform an analysis on gender equality.
In nations that have ratified the convention, women have partnered with their governments, partnered is the key word, to improve the status of women and girls by changing laws and policies to provide safer environments and opportunities for women, girls, and their families. Over time, if it takes 70 years, maybe that's what it takes, is multiple cities across the nation all forming their own local versions of CEDAW, and then a council member being courageous enough to offer a bill at the federal level to be able to get the United States to finally sign on.
All in favor of the motion to approve Resolution 568-16, say aye. Any opposed? That's 9 ayes. Motion passes. Thank you.